Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So today date is 19 November 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 15, means of communication. So student, let to do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So every day we talk to number of people, okay, we talk to our friend, relatives, and even to strangers sometimes. So when we speak or listen, or when we read or write, so all these are what? These are means of communication with the other person. So this thing we have discussed, okay. After that, in the ancient time, how the people communicate with each other. So in the old time, the way the people communicate with each other is, that is the drum beat, through drum beats, pigeons, messengers, smoke. So these are the different methods how the people communicate with each other in the ancient time. And also sign language. Okay, so by this method, in the ancient time, the people communicate with each other. Now when the change come in the life of the man, when they learned language and began to write, okay, when a change gradually come in the people, when they learn the language and began to write. So at that time, writing become a very important, or you can say very popular mean of communication. Now now after this, what's happened? The people start writing letters to their friends, relatives, which are living far away. So in this manner, the people start communicating with their family member, friends, and relative which are far away from them. Okay. Now the next important thing which I discuss is that the postal communication. So postal communication, student, it means we are talking about the services which are present in the post office. So in the old time, postal communication become the most popular mean of communication. And another advantage of the postal communication is that it is very cheapest. Okay, so in the old time, postal communication become the most popular method of communication, that is by post. And it is very, what the advantage is that it is very cheapest. Okay, now when the people are, when the people learn the language and they are able to write it, then, so after that what happen, people use inland letter. Okay, people use inland letters, postcards, and stamped envelopes. To send their messages to their family member, friends, or relatives. Okay, so postal communication means what are the services which are present in the post office. So in the old time, especially people send, or especially people write a letter in the inland letter. So for example, firstly let's discuss about the inland letter. See, in this manner, this is a letter. Okay, and you will write the matter, and this color of the letter, inland letter, is light blue. color of the color of color of letter color of letter is light blue. Okay, so which is the color of the letter? Color of the letter is light blue. You ask your parents. Okay, because you ask your parents will tell you about this inland letter. Or whenever you get the time, you visit the post office. Okay, and buy one inland letter, so that you are able to understand which type of letter we say inland letters. Okay, or you ask your parents also. It is a light blue color letter. Okay, so you, this is the space given in the letter. You write the letter to your friend, relative, or your family member. And after that, on the sides of this letter, you will see there is a glue. ठीक है, इस लेटर के साइड्स पे ग्लू होती है. फिर हम इस लेटर को क्या कर देते हैं, फोल्ड कर देते हैं. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस मैनर वी राइट द letter in the inland letters. Then a postcards. Okay, so postcards are, these are very small cards. See, in inland letter, no one will read what you have written in the letter, because after writing the letter, glue is pasted on the side of the letter, we fold it, so no one were able to read what you have written in the letter. Okay, and when you are talking about the postcards, these are small cards. Okay, these are small cards. this space this space is given for writing the address. Okay, this space is given for writing the address, and in this space you can write the matter. But after writing the matter, this postcards cannot be folded. ठीक है, जैसे इनलाइन लेटर में जो भी आप लेटर में लिखते हो, उसके बाद आप उसे फोल्ड करके ग्लू से बंद कर देते हो. ठीक है, नो वन वाज एबल टू रीड योर लेटर. बट इन पोस्ट कार्ड्स, you, there is a space given for writing the address, and after that there is a space given for writing the letter, but it cannot be folded like the inland letters. Okay, Now next is the stamped envelopes. Okay, what is the meaning of the stamped envelopes? So first of all, you take one paper. Okay, you take, शॉर्टकट में नहीं लिखते हैं, you take paper, okay, you take a paper and in that paper you write the letter. Okay, after that you fold the letter and put the letter inside the envelope. envelope मतलब लिफाफा, आप समझते हो ना, ठीक है, लिफाफे के अंदर आपने अपना एनवलप डाल दिया, ठीक है, और उससे ग्लू से उसको क्या बंद कर दिया, ठीक है. आफ्टर दैट फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द फोल्डेड लेटर एंड देन इट इज पुट इनसाइड द envelope. For example, this is envelope, okay, and this is what letter. So after writing the letter, you put your letter inside the envelope, okay, and what happen on this envelope? Stamps, ठीक है, you have to pay money for that. Okay, according to the weight of the letter you have to buy the stamps from the post office. stamps कहाँ अवेलेबल होती हैं बेटा? पोस्ट ऑफिस में, ठीक है. फिर जो आप इन्वेलप में लेटर डालोगे उसका वेट किया जाता है, ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू द वेट आपको उतने रुपीस की एनवलप पे क्या स्टैंप लगानी पड़ती है. तो दैट इज नोन एज स्टैम्प्ड एनवलप्स. दैट इज नोन एज स्टैम्प्ड एनवलप्स. इज इट क्लियर? That is known as the stamped envelopes. Now next important thing which I tell you is that whenever you are writing the letter, the most important thing is that you must write the address. Okay, to whom you want to send the letter, you first write the address. For example, your friend name is Amit Singh, okay, your friend name is Amit Singh. So you will write full address of that person, quarter number 212/H, ठीक है. So where you are sending the letter, that is Patna, okay. So this is in which state? Bihar, okay. And the most important thing which you must mention on the address, that is the pin code of that area. For example, I just write the pin code 38001. So this is the most important thing which you mention on the address, okay. And after writing the address of that person, you must write your address also. For example, from, it means this letter is written by whom? From Abhishek Singh, 39 GTC, Varanasi, Kent, UP, pin code 221004. So these are the things which you have to mention on the letter. First is the address of the person to whom you want to write the letter. For example, Amit Singh, quarter number 212/H, Patna, it is in Bihar, and pin code. And you must write your address also. From Abhishek Singh, 39 GTC, Varanasi, Kent, it is in UP, and the pin code is 221004. So in this manner we can send our letter to our family member or to our friends or to our relatives or to any person which is living in any part of the country. So after writing the letter, where we post the letter, okay, after writing letter, after writing letter, we post letters in the letter box, in the letter box. Is it clear? After writing letter, we post letter in the letter box. Now the question arises where this letter box is present. So this letter box, where it is present in the post office. Okay, this letter box is present in the post office. Okay, so after this, what happened? Okay, letters are then collected by the postman and sorted at the post offices. So after that, what's happened? So after writing letter, we post letter in the letter box. From here the letters are collected and then they are sorted. What does it means? Sorted means, for example, in that post office maybe letters are of different states. कोई यूपी का लेटर होगा, कोई बिहार का होगा, फ्रॉम सम लेटर फ्रॉम दिल्ली, मुंबई. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये शॉर्ट आउट करते हैं कि लेटर कहाँ भेजना है. ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम क्या शॉर्ट आउट करते हैं? लेटर आर देन कलेक्टेड बाय द पोस्टमैन एंड sorted एट द पोस्ट ऑफिसेज. दे आर सेंड टू देयर डेस्टिनेशन. डेस्टिनेशन मीन्स टू द प्लेस. ठीक है, जहाँ पे लेटर भेजना है. सो लेटर कैन बी सेंड बाई लैंड, एयर और सी रूट्स. सो जो 3 मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किए थे प्रीवियस चैप्टर में, दैट इज एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट, लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड water transport. So by all these 3 means of transport, letter can be sent to the different destinations. Destination means the places where you have to send the letter. ठीक है, is it clear? I hope this is clear to all of you. So थोड़ा सा रिपीट करा देते हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग मैंने लेटर्स में क्या बताई थी? आफ्टर राइटिंग द लेटर वी मस्ट राइट द address of the person to whom which we want to send the letter, and the most important thing in the letter is that we must mention the pin code of that place. Okay, so and another thing is you must write your address also. Okay, you must write your address also in the letter. Okay, then after that what you will do? You post the letter in the letter box. Is it clear? After that what you will do? You post the letter in the letter box, and this, where this letter box is present, this letter box is present in the post offices. Okay, after that what happens, student? This letter box is opened. Okay, and all the letters are collected from the post office daily, day to day, daily. This post box is open, letter box is open, and then the letters are collected. After the collection of the letter, student, what we do? We sorted the letter due to the different areas or due to different states. ठीक है, अब जरूरी तो नहीं उस लेटर बॉक्स में सारे लेटर एक ही स्टेट में जा रहे हों. ठीक है, मे बी कुछ लेटर यूपी में जा रहे होंगे, यूपी के अदर्स पार्ट्स में, या मे बी टू द दिल्ली, मुंबई, Kolkata, Chennai. So there are many different cities, or you can say there are different states in our country. So according to the names of different state or cities, the letters are sorted in the post office. Okay, we will continue this topic in next video. Thank you, student.